Hi everyone, good morning, good evening. Welcome back to this video. Uh, Today's topic is remote desktop connection. So, remote desktop connection is needed for each small and medium sized business, and even though big organization, right? But especially, I'm talking here about the people who have their own office and they have hiring some employees like maybe 10, 20, 15, 20, or whatever the employees they are hiring, and they are working with their laptop or desktop, right, workstation. So in that case, as you are the boss of the company and you are the owner of the company, at the end of this office, you wanted to check everything on the laptop or desktop which you provided to the employee what they have worked on, right? So it is very difficult if you not done the centrally access to those data or centrally not access to those machines. Because let's take an example, in your office have 20 employees and they're working something and you wanted to check something on each of the machines. So what you will do, you will go to that machine physically and log in with your credential and then check the details, right? So don't you think it will time taking, time consuming, even though not only the time consuming but also you are interrupting your employees when they are working. So it is completely waste of time. So to eradicate that and to avoid that, so this RDP connection will help you to take remotely those machines, even though they are working, your employees working on backend. You can take the remote desk remotely, and you can start working them. You can start working uh, um, your work. Like if you want to check something on the machine, and if you want to scan something, whatever you want to do, you can do that. So for that, we will use the remote desktop connection. Let's start this topic. Let remote desktop connection. Okay, before start this remote desktop connection, if you wanted to call someone, so you will call with his name, right, with his or her name, right? So same way, each and every devices has their name. And also if you wanted to reach one of your friend, so you should know the address. Without address you cannot reach their home, right? So each and every device is also having the addresses. So that is most important thing, is you first know the address as well as the name. So this can help you to reach that machine destination, your target machine, right? So in that case, what happened, let's take an example. So if you wanted to check this is the machine, one of the your let's take an example, one of the your employees machine. And to check the address and host name, first go to the start command and type the cmd and enter. So okay, it's taking time, not sure. Okay, so then you type ipconfig here. So this is the command you just need to remember. This command will give you the ip address. So here my ip address is 10.10.10.25.25. So make sure you should not note the ipv6 but ipv4 address is needed. So you should note this one. So here my ip is this one. And now I wanted to know the name of this machine. So the name of this machine is what? Let me check that. Host name. So this is the command where you can check the name of this machine. So my name of this machine is DC2 and IP is 10.10.25. So I wanted to take the RDP. Let's take this is our virtual machine. So I wanted to take this from the my laptop. So I type your remote desktop. Okay, and I just wanted to take RDP. This is IP 10.10.25. Let's connect this. So it is not able to connect it. The reason why we not enable the remote desktop connection, I mean this specie, no one should see, you are getting the error now, right? So this error means the remote desktop is not enabled. How do you check that one? So again, you come to the search button here, type the remote desktop setting. It is setting is there, right? Just click it here. And if you see right here, it is off, remote connect and use this PC from the another device. So that is off, right? You should enable this one, then it definitely work. Now I've enabled it. Let's take the RD to these machines. So this is the remote desktop application where you can take the RDP. But let me describe more on this. Even though there are many features are available here to take the RDP. Okay, let me minimize this one. Okay, there are the many okay, this is the error we were received. So there are the many features here that take the RDP, like If you go local resources and go to the more, here the driver is there, right? If you want to connect all the drivers for the sorry, drivers or the drives on your machine, right? So for the remote machine, I can checkbox all this, so I can connect this, I can access this drives for the machine, remote machine also. Even though the here display resolution you can take based on your desired requirement, so like full, small, large, or something you want to take, but I'm taking large here. Okay. And general, if you see, right, it's taken, you need in a day 520 times you are taking this machine RDP, right? Every time you are copying this address is not a good way, right? So what you will do here, you just type. So in my case, my remote machine IP is 10.10.10.25. I've typed, and you need to give your host name here, dc2, but this machine is already joined to the domain, so I'm giving the domain name. But if the machine is not joined to domain, it's a simple workstation work group, on your office, then you should type the like dc2 or the IP, right? So this way you can type, and then slash user account you need to type. But in my cases, it's not, I don't want to be put it to the local, because this is the domain control, one of my domain control, and it is joined to the domain. So I don't want to take this as a local account. I just wanted to take its domain account. So my domain name is intraid dot cloud. Okay, and slash. So if I save this one, it will ask where you want to save. I'm just up and type the IP address last is 25, right? So I will mention it PC25 something. You can put it any name, right? So if you do this, so it will come. See here, this is came, right? So you don't need to go every time here take the RDP, right? I mean, go here, type the RDP connection. I don't want to do that, right? Every time go here and type the address and take their things. Instead of that, what I will do, I already saved here, right? Whenever I need it, I just click this one, it will connect and it will ask the password. So I will use this one as a different account. I type the my domain name in out slash administrator, the password, just enter it, you can connect it. See, I am now able to connect this machine, right? We enabled, right, this option. See, now I have connected this machine 10.10.25. You see this name. I'm able to take the RDP. So this way you can access, you can check all the data of that employee, whatever she is doing or he is doing on that one. You can check it here. So this is very simple thing, but people don't understand this thing, and they are hiring someone to do, this thing. So there is no much configuration on this. It's very simple thing. So you just configure yourself and manage all your employees' devices in central manner. I hope this content definitely will help you. And if you think that this content is helped you, and please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching this video.